Starting from today, I won't buy you ice cream anymore.
Huh? Why? I have been listening to everything you said. I've been working as you want. Are you not happy with me?
I have 2 gluttons to feed at home. I have to cut off some expenses, even if a little.
Is your family that important to you?
An affair. An affair? How dirty.